Hudson's Toy Adventure! Welcome back to Hudson's Toy Adventure. It's black versus green.
Monster truck tournament.
And that one's a new one. Glow in the dark.
Oh yeah, from the Glowman. What was it? From Monster Truck Live.
Glow in the fire.
Sweet. Let's go. Who are we going for first? Who's in the first round?
We're going to send Soldier Fortune against Winter Soldier.
Let's do this. Theodore, are you at the end?
Whee! This won't hold them up.
Just from the top. Just above it. Like that.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Fortune.
Soldier Fortune! Yeah!
My new one from Monster Truck Land is that school bus one with Bigfoot.
Oh yeah.
Scalosaurus,
You'll have to show the kids later, won't you, Theodore?
It's Scalosaurus, mate.
Right, he's out. Get him out.
I don't have
Throw him onto the...
There we go.
Goodbye, loser. Alright, next round. Get that flag out, by the way. Who's for the greens?
Electric Gangster versus Electric Bone Shaker.
Sweet. Alright then. Get set. Let's go racing. Whoa! Did you see that? Good race.
It moves Soldier Fortune.
What happened to you?
When's if the greens just fully win?
It's a green win. Go on then. Who's next?
Gangster versus Bone Shaker.
Again? These are the OGs though. Yeah?
Not really.
What do you mean not really?
Pretty sure Gangster's not that OG.
Okay. Ready?
2, 1.
Oh no! Theodore! Greens are winning.
Can you hold the flag?
I've got no idea.
The Greens are winning 3-0.
Yeah? Put that down there. Monster Truck Live. Greens are trouncing us. Who's going next?
Superheroes.
Yeah?
So,
Oh! Is that your new special one?
no.
Who we got in this round? Show us after this race. Who's in this round?
Oh, it just showed us right now.
Batman versus Leonardo.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, we got Batman!
There's a problem with this. If they're on this side, they're going to guarantee to fall.
Batman won. He finally won one. Alright, we'll change it up a bit. Got an idea. Is that your new one? Oh, he looks so cool. Got all of them on it. I like it. Bone Shaker and Mega Rex. Next round.
Right, get out of here. He isn't competing today.
Maybe he could be the ref. He's a referee.
Mega Rex
Yeah.
versus. Alright, get him off the track.
Grave Digger.
Whee! There we go.
Oh, we'll see. Let's see how it is. Watch out, Theodore. The racers are on track. Oh, just changing it up.
3, 2, 1. Hey, there is a problem with this.
Grave Digger for the win! Are you sure?
So I can. Yeah, he crashed.
Alright, we'll do some track maintenance.
Dinosaurus.
Wait, Scalosaurus.
Versus, what is his name? Podium Crusher, I think, something like that.
You think? Or Podium Crusher?
Yeah, Podium Crusher.
Podium Crusher? He's the new one. Okay, let's see if this improved way will work.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah! And it worked.
He's fat.
New winner. By Skelosaurus. All thanks to a pillow.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Kingsling versus Gravedigger.
Which one?
Gravedigger.
Oh yeah, because son of a digger. Gravedigger. Alright, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready, Eddie. Gravedigger.
2, 1, go.
Oh! Speed on Gravedigger. Yeah! Where's the one? Where's the loser? Bye, loser. So we got 4 blacks into the winner's circle so far, and 3 greens. Who we got?
So, Son of the Digger versus Flint Rhyme Taker.
Okay then. Who we got then?
Okay, the greens need to win.
You think?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! No way! They crashed up. Winner was Son of a Digger. Blacks are in the lead. 3 greens. Even though I crushed it out. There we go.
So wait.
So that's your semi-finalist so far, yeah?
Wait, how are we gonna make this?
Well, 2 blacks will have to go against each other. It's the only way.
Son of a Digger versus Gravedigger.
Okay, okay.
Wait, versus Gravedigger.
Old school, yeah?
Yeah.
I like it. I like it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, yeah!
And Son of a Digger.
Yeah! Winner. Bye. You're through. So this one, Gravedigger versus Gangster.
No.
What do you mean no?
Gravedigger versus Gangster.
What's ya? Electric Gangster.
Right, get the back of me. 3, 2, 1.
Gangster! What a win. Bye bye. Ah! I do like this one though. I'll have to race on one of your next videos, Theodore.
Yeah, he isn't going to be able to win though.
Alright.
I can just tell.
What if your new one's going to win one? Or will Batman finally win one?
Batman got so close and won quite a...
Hey, they're already 3.
Oh,
Put them over there. They're into the next one.
Podium
Oh, we're in the
Crusher
quarterfinals, aren't we? Podium Crush.
Crusher versus Gangster.
Are we ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah! Podium one. It's really cool. I like this one. Glow in the dark one. Through the semi-finals, you. The flag. Alright, Batman and Gangster. Yeah?
2, 1.
Oh, Batman! Gangster for the win. So,
Wait, that means both gangsters are through.
bye, Batman. Alright then. Son of a Digger, your podium smash on one. And the 2 gangsters for the semi-final. Yeah?
Podium Crusher versus Gangster.
That one, buddy. Apparently glows in the dark.
It barely does.
We'll see. I'm ready. Which gangster we got?
Gangster.
Original gangster. Watch out, Theodore.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh! That was so close. Winner!
Winner.
Bad gangster. Right, is in the final. So
Wait.
Son of a Digger versus your Electric Gangster.
It's getting
Where do the monsters come from?
Monster Jam.
No, not all did. Because not all on Monster Jam.
Maybe it's all Hot Wheels then.
Yeah.
Cool. Come on then.
Because Hot Wheels and Monster Trucks are the same brand. But just different stuff.
Okay. Alright.
Oh wait, that's the wrong way. 3, 2, 1, go! Who won technically?
I don't know. Should we check the replay?
Yeah.
So, who was it?
We think it's Gangster because he went off the track even though and even
He was the quickest over the line, but even though he skipped the track.
and also he's in front.
Yeah, we'll give him it. Well, alright, you get to the final then, Electric Gangster
So it's a green.
versus Black. Final. Here we go.
Daddy,
We need a cup.
there's little names.
What's all the names? He's got skulls on his tyres, hasn't he? That's really cool. Is he your favourite now?
Yes.
That type of car.
It looks similar. Come on then. Podium Crusher. Or Electric Gangster.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah.
Whoa! You keep skipping the track, but the winner!
Who is it?
The new one!
Russia.
Yeah!
Well, his name stands up to what he did today.
Yep. You get the flag. Winner! That was quite cool. Alright then, should we say bye to the kids?
Yeah.
Bye, and make sure to like and subscribe and watch all of our other videos. See you next time.
I will have another video.
Yay! Bye!